It's been an absolute pleasure to present these awards. It's really nice to see young people engaging and completing leadership programs.
I would 100% recommend this to anybody, to be honest with you. I feel like the people you get to know, the people who are around you, not only build your character but make you feel included. And I feel like that's so important, especially with a lot of like divisions in like today's society. I feel like coming together is the most important thing.
Definitely recommend this program to other people. I definitely think that it helps you in terms of building relationships with people, building your character, and also networking as well. So it'd be a great program for a lot of young people out there.
Getting a certificate for my work tonight was very rewarding, because I know that I can put it on my CV and I can use what I've learned in any future things that I face.
I think it feels great at the end of all your hard work that you actually get acknowledged and that there's a certificate and there's an event such as this, and honestly it just showcases the hard work that Tribalism Movement does for us kids.
My message to young people would say that, you know, get out there more, be with like different types of people, don't feel like you're afraid, and try and like build yourself up.
Institutions like ATM are so important for young people, particularly those in London. The world around us is changing rapidly, and the issues that young people are facing can increasingly become quite isolating. And having a community around you of young people that understand what you're going through, that you can lean on for support, is so important.
My leadership message to young British Somalis is, you know what, back yourself. You can do whatever you put your mind to it. If you want to become the Prime Minister, you can. If you want to become an MP, you can. Anything you want to be, a CEO of a company, you can. Everything you can do, you can do it.